Hey vlog.
Okay.
We're at a workout park thing. We're gonna get our workout on.
I have to pee. The beetle. Looks like a beetle.
That's our intro. I have Spider-Man on.
I have a headband. We're ready to rock and roll.
Honestly, you can see the workout park. Oops, those are people. Lily looks like she's ready to work out. I do not. I have jeans on. I had a hoodie on, but it's hot as dick out here, so I took it off.
Look at the foundation on my shirt.
Ugly. Darn it, guys, we have to turn around because I didn't bring a leash. Because you're a bitch. She just pushed me. Yeah, walk through the mud, buddy. Hey, guys. We're here. Wow, we look so tall. Look at us. Wow. I don't know about Lily, but I'm already out of breath. You look like... We saw the cutest dog leaving the wrong place because I'm a fucking idiot. Oh, darn it. I'm a freaking idiot. I have to show my mom these videos, but she's not going to be too appreciative of the fact that...
You're saying curse words?
Yes. Alright, ladies. This is how many... Why is this so
We're going. We're moving.
This is how many pull-ups I can do?
That's a little too short for pull-ups.
No?
Yeah. Because...
Oh, there's more dogs.
Those are cute dogs.
Not as cute as the one we saw earlier. That was the cutest dog ever. Right, so maybe this is a little bit too short for pull-ups.
Thigh stretch?
No, what do you do with this thing? Okay, this is how many pull-ups I can do.
Now do sit-ups.
Sit-ups I can do.
You're kidding.
Okay, how many can you do?
Nah.
Okay, go ahead.
No, I don't want you to film it though. That one like my butt.
I'm sure you like that, didn't you?
This is the exercise. What am I supposed to do? Just this? I don't get it.
Does it look like I shat myself?
Yeah.
Pooped myself? Oh, is it going away?
I don't know. You. Yeah. It's like in your butt crack.
Dang, because look what I did. Yeah, let's go to the pond.
No. Ooh, that's a little slippery.
A little lubricated.
What? Okay.
Is that an outhouse?
No.
No. You look like you'd use an outhouse. Like
I don't look Amish.
Let's see, is this a potty though? You guys see? I'm scared to look in there. You guys see me? I'm scared, I can't look. Let's see what's in the water. In the wow. Oh, there's a goose. Oh my god. Oh, there's 2. Oh, 3, 4. Wow. 5? No, 4. Hey guys. Can you record me with my friends? I'm really scared of geese actually. They're mean.
What the hell is that one? It's like,
I wish I had bread.
hey, they're kind of walking towards us.
That's my real friend. Honk, honk.
Are you feeling scenic? That kid just fell.
That's not funny. We don't laugh at strangers.
Why am I laughing? I'm not laughing.
Why am I laughing? I don't know why you're laughing.
Hey, there's that shirtless guy again. Oh.
I was very envious of his abs. I want abs.
Why is it neck bent like that?
His neck has scoliosis.
Don't joke like that.
Just in front of him. Oh, that kid's looking at us.
Fuck off.
Well, you don't look brave at all when it's in 0.5 because it just looks like you're far away no matter what.
Go. You can go.
No, I'm actually just like poop my pants a bit.
It's looking at us through its side eye.
Hey, look.
Do that again?
They're more scared of you than you are. I heard a leaf crunch. Thought that was the end of me. Nails are ugly. She's flipping me off.
No, I'm not. Why would you say that? Look at my nails though.
Still eating. Oh, I hope you caught on video him stepping into the water. That was the cutest thing ever.
I just laying off the camera. Oh.
Remember when they had no talkie sticks yesterday?
Do you think they have some today?
But I got blue talkies. Record it, record it, record it. Oh, its little legs gave out so he could get in the pool and take a dip. That's not a pool. Pond? Creek? Creek. Hop in the creek.
It was at 6 minutes and 7 seconds.
He just drank water and then spat it back into the water. Must not have been that good. Someone introduced him to Dasani.
That's not even a good water brand.
Oh my gosh, you're one of those people that thinks all water tastes different.
Yes! Because the minerals in the bottled water. Unless it's spring
This
water.
nerd, bro. Ask her what a hiccup is.
Is that an expansion in your diaphragm? What was the other thing I was talking about? Oh, the yawn. Regulating body temperature. He has a worm.
Where? Where?
The goose.
Yeah, I know. I'm saying which one?
The one that's balls deep in the water? I don't know.
In the water or in the mud?
Hey, what the fuck do you think mud is made of? Fucking water. Stupid ass bitch. She's so white. No. Yes. Okay, I'm bored. You're really far away. Ew. You look like a girl when you do that. Ugh.
Oh my gosh. From this angle you can see that it just has like its tail's thin on the inside and then it has
I can see it like that from here too. I was just saying.
Look at this.
Oh my god.
They all talking. He found a worm and now they're all over there because they think he's gonna share. If I were a goose and I found a worm, I'd be like, heck no, this is my one. Throw that at me.
What is it? They hit you. Okay, bye vlog.